What's going on? Ankush Mitra here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make $100 per day, whether you are 14 years old, 16 years old. Actually, age does not matter in this area, okay? So, if you are into the things of the making money online, into the things of the business related videos and in the entrepreneurship niche, then you should go below the video and hit the subscribe button. After you subscribe, you can also comment like I have subscribed or hi, so that I can really welcome you to the channel, okay? Because I am very much excited that you are now a part of the family. So now, without being delayed, what's the method we are going to analyze? Basically, we are going to leverage the power of the YouTube, as YouTube is the second largest source. Why? Because the YouTube is the second largest source. This is the big reason that we are going to use the YouTube. And with a brand new YouTube channel, I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 3,000 to 5,000 subscribers in the first month. That's really important in this video, okay? So it's very easy. I'm going to show you a trick. What you can do, just go to the whatever your niche is, just go and find the big players of your niche, okay? Find the big players of your niche, just like Tai Lopez. He's the big player, he's the biggest marketer in the niche of the making money online, okay, in the wealth niche. So what you need to do, actually it's, I think there is some kind of problem. I need to open the incognito. Basically this is because I have installed the plugins, and when I have installed the plugins, this problems really occurs, okay, because it really increases the load. So I really recommend you to use only and only one plugin, okay? So now what you need to do, just go to the and find the big players. You can go and search it on the Google, what are the big YouTube channels in the make money online niche, in the wealth niche, or in the health niche. You can search it on the YouTube, on the Google. You will find the top 10 channels, okay? So what you need to do, just type the channel's name like Tai Lopez. I'm going to use the Tai Lopez channel because he is the biggest channel in the wealth niche. You're going to go to his channel, and there you are going to see that this guy is having 1 million following. You need to find the channels which are over having at least 1 million following, at least 1 million subscribers, okay? So what you need to do, just you need to create the videos on this guy, related to this guy, because people are a fan of this guy. What you need to do, just let me just explain it to you. For example, you are going to go with the Tai Lopez, okay? You are going to create videos on related to this, like Tai Lopez exposed. You are not going to, but remember, you are not going to do anything like telling anyone any bad thing about this guy, like this guy is scam about the selling his SMMA course or whatever. You do not need to make any false news. You need to tell them truth about them. You need to make good things about them, because people are following him because they think that he is the best, okay? You do not need to tell anything bad about them. You can tell them like this guy is providing so much value, and actually this guy is really providing value. You can watch his little video. This guy is really providing a lot of value. You can tell him that this guy is providing a lot of videos, a lot of value. So what they will think, as they are fan following, they are following Tai Lopez, and they are in the make money online niche, okay? They are in the wealth niche. So what it will make happen, you are telling truth about them, you are proving them good. So what they will think, that they will also love your channel, because you are really praising, you are telling about them, about which you are fan of, okay? So if you are going to tell about him, they are going to love your video, and the great thing will happen, that your videos will gonna start ranking in the searches, not in the searches but in the suggested videos. Over here you will find the videos over here. You can when you are going to make videos on this guy, your videos will start seeing over here in the suggested videos, okay? Because you are going to use his name, Tai Lopez, and it is having thousands of searches every single month. So if you are going to use his names, his name in the tags, in title, and gonna do make videos on this guy, you will get tons of views, because he is having 1 million following. And out of 1 million following, if you are going to get at least 10,000 views on every single video, then absolutely it is going to be making a killing YouTube subscribers. You do not need to just go with this guy only. Just create more videos of YouTube channels that are competitors, just like having 1 million following. Just go and create videos like this, you are going to see that your YouTube graph will go like this. There will be a complete J curve. It will be start going like this. You can easily get 2000 to 5000 subscribers in a single month, because you will get a tons and tons of views by getting into their suggested results. Millions and millions of guys are seeing, and you can easily get thousands of views. And after you can getting a following of this, as he is in the make money online niche, so you can monetize this with this niche. If you are in the health niche, you can monetize it with the with the health niche. After that you can monetize them, and then you can make absolutely a killing income, because if you are having a $3,000 subscribers, then you can absolutely, you are going to be growing very fast in such kinds of things. Okay, so with the 3,000 subscribers you can easily make up to $3,000. If you are going to promote a $100 course, that it will be just awesome. You just need 30 sales. That's really bare minimum. Okay, so this was our trick, just to start leveraging the power of the YouTube and big channels, and you will see the result. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe the channel and also press bell icon, so you do not make awesome videos like this. Okay, and at last, thanks for watching.